Before I got monetized on YouTube, I constantly wondered, can I really make money by making videos and posting them on YouTube? So I frequently looked up videos, how much people made in a month, how much people made with 1,000 views. And in the process, I learned that there's a lot of variety there. So when I got 3 of my channels monetized, I wasn't surprised to see that there's a lot of variety amongst the different channels. So I want to share with you exactly how much each of my channels makes per 1,000 views. All right, here's the first channel that I got monetized. It's called Hope and Sunshine. It's been monetized since 2021. It's making about $400 per month right now. And you can see that it's making about $3.37 per 1,000 views. Now, I wouldn't expect this channel to have very high RPM just because it's a vlog channel. It's not in the high RPM niches. Those would be things like real estate, money, those kinds of topics. Typically topics that are more like personal or family-based channels, those just aren't going to have high RPMs. My second monetized channel is actually my wife's channel. It's called Nurse Abby. She got that channel monetized, I think, late 2021, maybe early 2022. And you can see that it's making $6.01 per 1,000 views. On her channel, she talks both about nursing concepts, but also about the process of getting your nursing degree. So her audience is quite a bit different than like a family vlog kind of thing. And therefore, there's a lot more potential for advertisers to put ads on her videos. And then finally, the third channel that I got monetized is called Reviewing Literally Everything. If I remember right, it got monetized in 2022. And it's currently making about $134 per month. And its revenue per 1,000 views is about $3.47. Now, honestly, that one's surprising to me because it's all about products. It's all about actually selling things and showing things. People who watch those videos would likely be people who would be buying things online. So I really thought the RPM for that channel would be way higher, maybe even $10 per 1,000 views. But this just goes to show you that RPM is going to be all over the place. You can't really predict what any channel or any one video is going to have as far as RPM goes. Even money-based channels sometimes have low RPM because they're just not getting the ads on them that they might expect. And sometimes it's just about the creator themselves. Like you might be able to picture 2 channels, both about money, but one person has a really good, outgoing, charismatic, selling kind of personality, and then the other person is really deadpan while talking about money, not doing so in any kind of meaningful or valuable way. Which of these 2 channels will advertisers like to, advertise on? Well, probably the one that's going to lead to more sales, right? So it's not just the niche that determines the RPM. It's also the videos being made, the creator who's making them. There's a lot that goes into this, right? Walking home, I realized that I also wanted to mention that your RPM depends also in large part, not even on you at all, but on your audience. So if, for example, you have a video that's really, really popular among younger audience, like I do on this Reviewing Literally Everything channel, then they don't have the buying power, and advertisers don't really want to advertise directly to them. They want to advertise to the parents. So that's going to have an impact on your RPM as well. And then also one other thing, some RPMs actually get as high as like $20, $30, $40 if you have all these things lined up well, like good audience, good topic, good niche, and you as a creator are doing well. It is starting to rain on me, so I need to book it a little bit. I did not expect it to start raining today. It was a low chance of rain. Like I say on this channel all the time, don't just pick a niche based on how much revenue you think you can get from that. Pick something that you're passionate about, something that you're going to pour yourself into, something ultimately that you can commit to long term so that you'll enjoy doing it even when the money's not there. Ultimately, pick something that you're going to enjoy doing for a long time. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.